Have you ever wondered what the future of medicine might look like? Could it involve tiny robots swimming inside you, repairing and healing as they go? Welcome to the fascinating world of nanobots, the microscopic machines that are set to revolutionize the healthcare industry. These tiny marvels, no larger than a few billionths of a meter, hold the potential to transform how we approach medicine. Imagine them navigating through your bloodstream, performing tasks at a cellular level that once required invasive procedures. Picture them delivering drugs with pinpoint accuracy or repairing damaged tissues cell by cell. Think of the possibilities, the diseases we could treat, the lives we could save. It's not science fiction, but a very real future within our grasp. Just as the microchip changed how we interact with technology, nanobots could redefine our relationship with our own bodies. Imagine a world where heart disease, cancer, and even aging could be combated at a microscopic level. The idea of tiny robots inside your body might sound like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you'd think. But how do these microscopic machines work? Well, the basic principle of nanobots is simple yet profound. Just like the way you'd program a computer to perform certain tasks, nanobots are also programmed, but their tasks are biological. They are designed to be microscopic warriors, small enough to be injected or ingested into our bodies. Once inside, they can travel through our bloodstream, navigating the vast labyrinth of our circulatory system to reach specific cells or tissues. Imagine them as tiny couriers, carrying out deliveries with exceptional precision. They can be instructed to deliver targeted doses of medication directly to the problematic cells, bypassing healthy ones, thus reducing common side effects of treatments like chemotherapy. Now let's push our imagination further. What if these nanobots could not only deliver medication, but also repair